The preamble of the Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. Who is considered the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The idea of the preamble has been borrowed from the Constitution of USA. Which of the following words were not originally in the preamble? Socialist. Which amendment added words socialist and secular to the preamble? 42nd Amendment. The preamble declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. In the Kesavandana Bharati case 1973, the Supreme Court ruled that preamble is part of the constitution and reflects its basic structure. The term fraternity in the preamble means a sense of the brotherhood. The objectives stated in the preamble are derived from the objectives resolution. The objectives resolution was moved in the Constituent Assembly by Jawaharlal Nehru. The word we, the people of India, in the preamble signifies popular sovereignty. Which among the following is not mentioned in the preamble? Integrity of the nation. Which feature was adopted from the Irish Constitution into the Indian Constitution? Directive principle of state policy. The Indian Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. Which act is considered the foundation of parliamentary government in India? Government of India Act 1935. The 42nd Amendment Act was passed during the time of Indira Gandhi. How many times has the preamble been amended? Once. The preamble serves as an introduction to the Constitution. The preamble ensures which type of justice? Social, economic, and political. Which word in the preamble reflect the idea that India has no official religion? Secular. Unity and integrity of the nation was added to the preamble by 42nd Amendment. Which among the following is not an objective and sit in the preamble? Accountability. Which body adopted the preamble of the Constitution? Constituent Assembly. The Constitution of the India was adopted on 26 November 1949. Which term in the preamble implies that India has an elected head of the state? Republic. The idea of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity is inspired by French Revolution. The term sovereign implies independence in the internal and external affairs. B. The people of India implies what type of government? Democracy. The preamble is based on which legal concept? Objectives resolution. The final authority to interpret the preamble lies with the Supreme Court of India. Thank you.